Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast channel. I'm James and today we have something really exciting for all of you beginners out there. Today we're going to talk about your first day at school.
Hi everyone, I'm Amelia and I'm so excited about this episode. The first day at school is always special, isn't it, James? It can be exciting, scary, and full of surprises all at the same time.
Absolutely, Amelia. And you know, some people remember their first day at school like it was yesterday. The nervous feelings, the new teachers, new friends, everything feels so big and new. Today, we're going to guide you through a story-like conversation that will help you practice your English step by step.
Yes, and we're going to make it feel real. So imagine this. You are walking into a big school gate. You are holding your bag tight, your heart is beating fast, and you're not sure what to do. Sounds familiar, right?
Oh yes, I remember my first day at school. I was so nervous. I didn't know anyone, and I kept thinking, what if nobody talks to me?
And that's exactly what we want our listeners to experience today. You'll hear the conversation, repeat it, feel the emotions, and slowly get better at speaking English with confidence.
So, let's start with a suspenseful moment. Imagine standing at the school gate, looking around, seeing all the kids laughing and playing, and then you see a friendly face. Who is it? What happens next? Let's find out.
James, let's start our story with the first interaction. Imagine a child named Alex. Alex is walking into school for the first time. He sees many students but feels shy to say hello.
Right, Amelia. Alex walks slowly, looking around, and notices a girl sitting alone under a tree. Her name is Sarah. Alex thinks, maybe I can say hi, but what if she doesn't want to talk?
That's a very real feeling, James. So let's hear the dialogue between them. You can repeat after us if you like.
Hi, my name is Alex. This is my first day here.
Hello, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Don't worry, you'll like it here.
Hello, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Don't worry, you'll like it here.
Oh, thank you. I'm a little nervous. Everything is so new.
That's okay. I was nervous too on my first day, but you know what? It's fun once you start making friends.
See, Amelia? That simple exchange can teach so many phrases. Nice to meet you, I'm nervous, and it's fun once you start. These are perfect for beginners.
Exactly, James. And listeners, when you practice, try to feel the emotions, nervousness, kindness, curiosity. All these words give life to your English.
Let's continue. Alex decides to join Sarah. They start walking to the classroom together.
So, Alex, do you know which classroom is yours?
Not really. I'm looking for room 5, I think.
Oh, room 5. That's my classroom too. Let's go together.
And just like that, a nervous start becomes a small adventure. That's how you begin practicing friendly conversations in English.
Now, let's step inside the classroom. Alex and Sarah enter together. It's a bright room with many desks, and children are chatting.
And this is where the real challenge begins. Alex sees a teacher approaching. The teacher smiles and says,
Good morning, class. Welcome to your first day. My name is Mrs. Green. Who would like to introduce themselves?
My name is Alex. This is my first day.
Thank you, Alex. Welcome.
Notice, Amelia, how short sentences can be so powerful. Even simple phrases like, my name is Alex, or this is my first day, are enough to communicate clearly.
Yes, James, and the beauty of practicing these small sentences is that they give confidence. Now, let's continue. Alex sits next to Sarah.
Yes, James, and the beauty of practicing these small sentences is that they give confidence. Now let's continue. Alex sits next to Sarah.
Don't worry, Alex. The teacher is very nice.
Thanks, Sarah. I hope I can do well today.
And then the teacher starts a fun activity. She asks each student about their favorite hobby. Alex is thinking, oh no, how do I say this in English?
This is a common situation for beginners. Let's see what Alex says.
I like drawing. I draw pictures at home.
Wonderful. That's very interesting, Alex.
Simple words, complete sentences, and a little courage, that's all you need.
Now, let's move to lunchtime. Alex and Sarah go to the cafeteria. They see other kids eating, laughing, and sharing stories.
Lunchtime is always exciting. Alex sees a boy dropping his tray. Everyone laughs a little, but Sarah quickly goes to help him.
Oh, don't worry. Here, I can help you.
Wow, Sarah is so kind. I want to talk to more friends too.
This is a great moment for learning English. During lunch, you can practice questions like, "Can I sit here?" or "What are you eating?"
Hi, can I sit here?
Yes, of course. I'm Mike.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
And just like that, a new friendship begins. Listeners, notice how the conversation is simple but meaningful.
After lunch, Alex and his friends return to class. The teacher gives a fun project, making a small drawing of their family. Alex feels nervous, but he remembers Sarah's encouragement.
I can do this. I'll draw my family.
That's great. Show me when you're done.
This is where transformation happens. Alex was nervous in the morning, but now he is more confident, talking to friends, asking questions, and sharing ideas.
And that's the key takeaways for our listeners. English is not just about words, it's about using them to connect, to express feelings, and to make friends.
Exactly. Your first day at school can teach you courage, kindness, and communication, and practicing English along the way makes it even more exciting.
So, let's recap some useful phrases from today's episode. Hi, my name is. This is my first day. Can I sit here? I like drawing. And nice to meet you.
Try saying these phrases out loud. Imagine yourself as Alex or Sarah. Feel the nervousness, the excitement, and the joy. That's how you improve your speaking and listening skills naturally.
And that's it, everyone. Our story of the first day at school comes to a happy end. Alex made friends, spoke English, and felt proud of himself.
Remember, learning English is a journey just like the first day at school. Start small, speak with confidence, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's right. Every conversation you practice brings you closer to fluency.
Thank you for joining us today on the English Learning Podcast channel. We hope you enjoyed the story and the English practice.
Bye, everyone, and see you in our next episode with another fun story and English practice.
Bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who want to improve their English.